Right guys, I got a bit of a problem with the dcu7230w condenser tumble dryer. What happened was one of the button was stuck. Start and pause button was stuck, so it was all working fine. And then I've just replaced the frame at the end, and I've connected back again and it just sparked. So I just thought it was the fuse. So then I've changed the fuse on the mains, then it just tripped the fuse again on the main board. So then I've tried it a couple of more times and it just didn't work. So while I'm looking at it on the on-off power, and it just looks like burnt out. And then I'm sure I've connected the plug-ins, the flex cables, in the right way, because I marked them because I've done it. But it was working fine before, but now it's just doesn't power up at all. And also it just tripped the fuse all the time, and I don't know what I've done wrong, or I don't know what to do. So I put the frame back in right as far as I'm concerned, and I've just dismantled it all. And I don't know if that's the RCD, or I don't know if that's called the heating element, or I'm sure the power button that needs replacing, because I can see like a burnt out there. And also I can see on these connections some of them like burnt out, and like if you can see like a mark here. So I don't know if I just needed to change the power supply and then the power on off button, so that would fix the problem, or is that the heater element is gone, or if that's the problem with the main board, that I've done something to it. I believe there's a circuit protection on there to stop electric going in. So I believe if I can replace the power button on these, and these connections should be okay. I think the main is the problem, but I'm not an expert, so I just want a bit of an idea. The pictures are not clear, but if anybody got any idea, please comment down below and just give me some sort of heads up and see what I can replace. I don't want to buy all the heating element and the power button or all these cables before I'm gonna make this as a project. I'm gonna buy another one because we need it. It's winter and we need that, but I'm just gonna make this as a project. So I've connected all the connections right, but so if somebody can lead me through with these connections. I'm sure I've done this wrong. The connections goes into the power button. So if somebody can lead me into the right directions in that respect. So like, I don't know where this goes and where that goes. I marked it. I've just put like the first one that's supposed to go onto the here, onto the, I can't quite get with the hole in the phone and that. Like first one goes there, the number one goes there, and then the ones below goes underneath, like these ones. And then the second one is just goes there, the next bit, and then that goes underneath. But once I've done that, it's just sparked, and then I'm sure I've just blown up something in there. So I don't know if somebody could just give me a heads up to what to replace on these. That would be, I'll be gladly appreciate it. I'm sure the pictures are not clear, but I can add some more videos, or if I can fix these and if I can get it if I can get it done, I can upload another video, and that would be useful for others as well. So they're like 250 pounds to get a new one, but obviously I'm gonna get one, but I want to get this done because I'm sure the circuit board is fine, but I don't know what else gone wrong. I believe the power button, power on off button, and then the power connection needs to be replaced, the strips from back, and then could be fine, or the heating element. If anybody knows, can just somebody give me a heads up and what to do. Obviously I'm not an expert, I do some mobile phone repairs and that, but this is quite different compared to that. I hope this is not too long video to watch and get the people bored, so I'll be happy, I'll be gladly appreciated if somebody gives me a heads up. Thanks ever so much, bye.